I'd like to have a word from Dean of the Office of Research and Development of National Taipei University of Technology, Professor Ho Chen Chuang. Please have your speech.
Okay, thank you, Professor INASAKA. Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ho Chen Chuang, currently serving as the Dean of R&D Office at Taipei Tech. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Professor INASAKA Sensei for putting so much of his effort on organizing this design workshop. And I'm so honored to be invited to give the opening remark of this international design workshop between Chiba and Chiba CIT and Taipei Tech. It's still an on-site workshop for the fancy furniture design. The students and all the faculty members can talk to each other and have a face-to-face discussion. However, in 2020 and 2021, this design workshop have been held by the online form due to the pandemic, which I think is also a very special experiences for everyone. Well, this year, again, we are going to have a very special design workshop through the online connection. The topic of this year is the innovative service design for of community, and maybe you could create an efficient ecosystem to overcome the current problem we might have right now. For the following week, you guys will have the design thinking first, and the prototyping making, and the final presentation. Very solid training to me. I do believe that will be a very interesting and unforgettable experiences for all the faculty and all the students. I wish you could succeed for the following few days, and wish we could see each other either in Taiwan or in Japan soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Chuang. So next, a speech from the head of the Department of Industrial Design, National Taipei University of Technology, Professor Meng Chong-Zeng. Please have your speech.
Ohayou gozaimasu. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks to Professor INASAKA and Professor Liang and Professor Sato. Also welcome Dean of R&D of Taipei Tech, Professor Zhuang, join this workshop with us. We have been working together for over 10 years with many universities. I'm very happy that COVID-19 cannot stop us from being more internationalized during these challenging times. The theme of this year's workshop is Innovative Service Designs for Web3-based Societies. I think it's a challenging theme for design students, but also an opportunity to explore our new generation's imaginations. So hope all of you enjoy this workshop. I wish you all a successful workshop and a rewarding experience. 最後の一言、今回ワークショップ参加して皆さん、ぜひ積極的に交流して仲良くしてください。皆さんの活躍、素晴らしい提案を楽しみにしています。またよろしくお願いします。那也祝福所有台湾的同学收获满满。Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Chen. Thank you to all the teachers who made a speech for the opening of this Global Design Workshop 2020. My name is Akiyoshi Inasaka. I'm an associate professor at the Department of Design, Chiba Institute of Technology. And I will be the facilitator of this workshop. I will be with you for 5 days, along with doing some discussions, maybe talks, maybe chats over the workshop. My specialty is spatial design, data visualization, visual analytics, computational design, informatics, instructional design, and so on and so forth. My field of study is widespread, So maybe we can do some discussion on any topics that you are interested.
Please, if you can.
Hello, everyone. My name is Hui Li from Donghai University. Nice to meet you.
Okay. In Donghai University,
everybody, and it's my honor to join this workshop. So I hope all of you can have fun and enjoy the workshop. And if you have any question, I think I will join and help this workshop all the week. So you can call me Tin Yongtin or Chen Yongtin. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
And nice to meet you at this online, and I'm glad to be here to have this workshop with all of you, and we're very happy to be here. And I think this topic is very valuable because I think the Web 3.0 will be a very big problems in the future. So I think students will follow this topic and issue, and will do a very good PBL's workshop, and we also expect the students and all of the members will have a good time here. Thank you.
This is for text chatting and sharing data or information that you need during this workshop. And the second tool is the WebEx. It's called WebEx meetings. We will be doing the main meetings like this and presentation, and also your group works will be on live with using the WebEx meetings. Video conferencing, descriptions, and lectures will be held on this WebEx meetings. And the third tool is called the Miro. It's a whiteboard, online whiteboard that you'll be using for the brainstorming, discussion, and sharing materials. I want you all to record your outcomes or presentation materials on the Miro board to see with each other. And there are a lot of other online or the design tools that you were used to be using. So it's welcome to use your own design tools if you're comfortable for using them, and discuss them among your groups members and for using those tools. The workshop consists of the 5 phases, which is called like the day 1 is the ice break, day 2 is defining, day 3 ideation, day 4 prototyping, and day 5 presentation. Okay. And during the workshop, the work that will be done each day is maybe the time it is not enough for you to derive some outcomes for each day. So maybe you need some post and pre group works during the evening of the between the days, so that you can get the outcomes by the presentation day 5. I think the number here is a bit different, but there are 2 or 3 CIT members from Chiba Institute of Technology, 2 or 1 from the Donghai University, and 2 or 1 from NTUT. So we have 5 to 6 members in each groups. Okay. After this, the talk that I am doing right now, I want everyone to answer the questionnaire called the International Intercultural Communication Mindset. And I will be doing some research, taking data and doing an analysis of what kind of mindset you have during the workshop, and I will share the results later on in this workshop. Okay, so if you have any questions until then, please, you can speak out, or you can type questions on the chat of the WebEx meetings. Any questions or? Okay, so we have 7 teaching assistants from CIT and also Keio University in Japan. So please introduce your short introduction for yourself and give the mic to the next person. 簡単に名前とグループぐらいをお願いします。
はい。皆さん、こんにちは。My name is 吉野遥香。合ってますか？ちょっとごめんなさいね。英語ができないですけど、日本語で失礼いたします。皆さんね、すごい貴重な機会だと思いますので、すみません、ナンバー3です。グループ3です。よろしくお願いします。
My name is 吹原吹です。私はグループ1、グループナンバー1を担当します。よろしくお願いします。
My name is Ryoya Shibuya. I join Group 6. 渋谷亮也です。グループ3に参加します。よろしくお願いします。
はい、My name is 八木飛鳥。I join Group 2. Nice to meet you.
My name is Naoki Tani. I joined group number 5. Nice to meet you.
My name is Sora Nakanishi. I join group 4. Nice to meet you. よろしくお願いします。
Hello everyone, my name is Liang and I'm from KOSFC. I'm doing some research of design workshop and thank you for everyone. If you have any problem of communication about Chinese or Japanese, you can contact me from Slack. Thank you everyone. 大家好，我是赖新宏，然后我现在在庆应的 SFC 做一些跟设计工作坊有关的研究，然后这次就是受到崇文老师跟道板老师的帮助，就是可以来参加这次的 workshop。然后如果大家中文的部分或是日文的沟通还是什么的有任何问题都可以问我，感谢大家。